Did you know that some of Hawaii's ancient sacrificial temples still stand today? Perched high above Waimea Bay, on Oahu's north shore sits Pu'uomahuka, meaning Hill of Escape. This sacred site is the largest temple on Oahu and was dedicated to Kukailimoku, the god of war, also known as the Island Eater. Pu'uomahuka was one of only a few temples in Hawaii where human sacrifices were performed. These ceremonies were performed and were only reserved for major events, such as preparing for battle or seeking the favor and protection of the god of war, Ku. The ancient Hawaiian religious system came to an end in 1819 when the kapu system was abolished, marking the decline of worship at temples like Pu'uomahuka. Today, the stone walls remain as a powerful reminder of Hawaii's rich and complex history. If you didn't know, now you know.